Let me ask you about pirates, though. You compared pirates to the to the depositions given in this case.
Then I apologize for what I said. Then I misspoke.
Amber Heard's expert witness, psychiatrist Dr. David Spiegel, is going viral online for his totally bizarre behavior in court. The worst of which is when he admitted that he analyzed Johnny Depp's behavior by watching him act in the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. And no, I am not kidding. Let's get into it. After Dr. David Spiegel took the stand, many online were consumed with the doctor, who looked more like a villain from a movie rather than someone that should be testifying at a trial this important. Dr. Spiegel took the stand on day 20 of the trial and gave testimony for almost 3 hours, and the conclusion after his testimony was that this man should not be anywhere near a courtroom. Popular writer Asjad Nazir wrote on Twitter that it was, quote, unbelievable how Dr. Spiegel provided a professional evaluation of Depp from his movies alone without having met him, adding, quote, anyone who has been convicted or lost a court case because of Dr. David Spiegel should use his car crash testimony today to file an appeal. Shocking how uninformed and unprofessional he is. Worst professional witness I have ever seen. Another Twitter user called his testimony an ethics violation. Continuing, quote, Spiegel acknowledges the rule against giving opinions about people they have not evaluated, but does it anyway. This backlash came after the doctor seemed to admit in court that he watched Mr. Depp's movies to judge his character as it pertains to the trial. Although when Depp's lawyers pressed the doctor about this bizarre confession, Dr. Spiegel backtracked, saying that he apologized and, quote, misspoke. Depp's lawyer even jokingly asked, quote, because you know you can't compare pirates to sworn testimony in court, right? To which the doctor replied, yes. During the very sarcastic back and forth, the doctor asked the judge if he needed to answer a question about Willy Wonka, which the judge replied that he had to. Then the doctor responded that he had not watched Willy Wonka. Many videos of Dr. Spiegel's bizarre behavior are going viral online, like one where he's licking his gums and asking the judge if he has to answer a question. Another compilation shows the judge telling the doctor that he must answer the questions several times. One Twitter user wrote, quote, seriously though, why do so many witnesses on the side of Amber Heard feel like effing villains? Alrighty guys, so that's all for the story. Please let me know your thoughts on this one below, and if you haven't already seen clips of Dr. Spiegel, definitely go check him out after. There's so many online on TikTok in particular, and they are just so insane. Like, this whole thing feels like a movie. Like, I feel like the movie remake of this isn't even gonna be as wild as like the current day trial happenings. Also, make sure to subscribe for any more updates about the trial in general. We're gonna have a ton of videos coming up in the next few days. I've been your host, Mackenzie Smith, and we'll catch you in the next one.